Hello, welcome to 2020. I know it's a couple of weeks in, we're middle of way of January, but today we're going to do an unboxing. Now it is kind of car related because it's actually a toolbox. It's from US Pro. I actually got it off eBay from an outlet lens, so there may be some damage to it. Now the description said slight dents, which doesn't really matter, but it also did say that the drawers are very stiff. So we're going to try and resolve that. Me and my wife, we've actually just bought a house, so that's going to have a bigger garage. Now what I intend to do is do sort of a workshop build video, so I'm going to be building a workbench, talking about some tools, adding stuff, and then the plans for this year are that I'm going to lower it. I'm in negotiations with someone talking about some wheels, because I got some wheels last year but I don't really like them, so I'm looking for some new wheels. So lowering it, new wheels. I changed the stereo last year. Didn't make a video of that because that's pretty boring. And then possibly tinting the windows. So yeah, so let's get on with the unboxing. So here's the box that came in. So it's a red one. I did actually have two other toolboxes, but they were both old ones. They were a Clark one, and I can't remember the other brand. So the idea of this is that it's one of those under bench ones with wheels. So here we go. So it's got 7 drawers. As I said, there was some damage to it, but that's why I got it at a slightly better rate. What I've seen is that they were about £110 on eBay. This one was actually 60. I think it's because, well, it said the drawers are very stiff. So let's undo the lock and see what. Undo that. Right, bottom one. That's pretty smooth. There is a bit of damage there. This one, it's fine. Fine. I was expecting a lot worse, to be fair. Fine. All nice ball bearings. So the height of it is 66 centimeters high, depth 33, and length just 61 and a half. Now it does have some wheels and handles, so let's put them on. Okay, let's get these wheels on. So they are, in terms of size, 13 centimeters. Now they do come with a pack of bolts. It's a 12mm, see on the end. That's what I'm going to do now. Now I'll speed this bit up again, because. So here it is with the casters on. I'm pretty happy with it. With the casters on, in terms of height, we are at 77 centimeters. Nice, smooth action there. Quite deep drawers. Got some little drawers here, which could be for slightly shallower items. As I say, got some locks on there. Yeah, I'm very happy with this. So thanks very much. Sorry it's a bit of a short video, and we'll see you next time.